Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial course. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the past lesson we learned about logistic regression, but we didn't choose the name. We will write a project about logistic if we need, but for now that's good and work. For list X we will write something that might make you final. And by that, you see what's happening. Can you see what is happening? Okay, at first, let me change the plotting code a little. By plot, call it a scatter. And then if we run this line of code, can you understand what's happening? The code is exactly giving us the right answer, and exactly is finding the line that said the number lower is fail and the number higher is passed. The code is doing great and well. You can see this is the pass list. Let me first show you. And the first thing it gives us is widespread. Okay, we call it A and B. Now run it. For example, for X in A, print X. Let's print X. For X in, let's create a list of, let's call it last, and it's 0. For X, print X. For we are going to see the difference between Y and X. If Y equal to X, nothing. Last equal to last plus 1. Let's do it now. The last number is gonna be 20. If Y is equal to, what is happening? I do something wrong again, I think. Print Y. Oh, sorry. B final. What B give us? We do something wrong, I think. Y test. It give us Y test. Let's see what is B. B. Okay, B pass, not final. We right here B pass. The same problem we solve. Okay, now let's see what is the last value is. It's 2000. Everyone know why? Because it's running a lot. Because of that we change the number and say if they are not equal, no, sorry. I do something ridiculous. Something really ridiculous. For X in A, for X in range 20, let's say if let's say if X is equal to B, let's say here pass, and here X, if this is equal to this function. Okay, invalid syntax. Oh, sorry. What is the error. I can find it. Let's create something called C and it's equal to B pass and call it C. Y. Let's try to fix the problem. B pass. Okay, let's equal it to V is equal to, for example, B pass V1. Why it don't have V1? V0 V1 V2 let's print V. For X in V, print X. Okay, let's do it like this. For X in range, for SS in V, for SS in B pass, list. For example, LP is called list here. Let's say for X in range 20, no. For SS in B, LP dot append SSS. Now run it. Let's do if RX is equal to LPX. Let's now see the last. It's 20. The code is working right because every 20 test object has the same object as the predicted number. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.